In this demonstration, I'll show you some of the new functionality in the Fluent Workspace and give you some quick tips on how you can streamline your simulation process by taking advantage of this new functionality. A dynamic tree replaces the navigation pane from previous releases, but with added capabilities. It can even be collapsed to resemble and function as the navigation pane did in prior releases by providing access to task pages. However, the best way to take advantage of the tree is to expand the branch you're working on. This is particularly helpful when you're setting up your problem because it allows you to see your current settings at a glance. Another new feature is the right-click exposure of a significant number of the most commonly used commands. Right-click to enable models such as multiphase and viscosity, and to create, copy, and delete injections. You'll notice the Phases branch and dialog box, with sub-branches below for each phase, is a refreshed approach to the Phases task page. Now that I've helped orient you to the new Fluent look, I'll take a moment to show you a few tips to help you solve and post-process your problem more efficiently. When you're iterating to find your solution, you may want to change your convergence parameters. By leaving the Run Calculation task page exposed, you can just right-click the residual monitor, modify the convergence criterion, and quickly continue iterating. Let's say that now I've completed the problem setup and calculated a solution. By collapsing these branches, I can better focus on post-processing. New for this release, you can save different graphics views to more quickly display the views you use most often. For example, if I know that I'll be displaying DPM temperature contours and velocity vectors at multiple points, I can save the view I want so that I don't have to recreate them each time. I can also easily overlay graphics in the viewer to set up a scene. Another significant addition for this release is a new tree branch called Parameters and Customization. It makes it easy to load and manage input and output parameters, custom field functions, and so on. For example, I can specify inlet velocity and inlet pressure as input parameters, and then they are listed under input parameters. Similarly, I can create an output parameter for the total mass flow rate at the outlet. These are just a few of the improvements for this release of Fluent. Please be sure to check the release notes for the full list of new features. This concludes this demonstration of the new Fluent Workspace.